Channel. So today we are going to discuss detailedly on option selling. So there are two types, call as well as put. If call writers are added, that acts as a resistance and price action will go down. If put writers are added, that acts as support and price action will go up. If both are equally added, then it's going to be in the range bound. So this is today's indices and stocks close data. We'll begin with Nifty. So today we have a beautiful gap up. So gap up means, so you could see yesterday here, from here itself the gap up position has changed. So this gap up has already given an edge to the buyers to take the market up. Okay, so this is CE buyers and PE writers combination here. Okay, so this becomes our new resistance, 900 or 950. Okay, now we'll check for open. Open is 800. Okay, so here is 800. So you could see OTM is positive. So today it is day 1. Okay, so now here OTM is negative because it's day 1. We have still 4 days for the decay. Because the support is strong, whenever gap up means the support will automatically become strong. So it's positive in the ITM, negative because of the weak resistance. Okay, we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So similar pattern, Bank Nifty, you could clearly see here gap up, but it couldn't sustain, but it's still above previous close. When you check open, 558, 500. Okay, 58, 500 was our open. When you check for OTM, it's positive. Since it's gap up, it's a strong support condition. And here it is positive. So it is day 12 for Bank Nifty because it is having the monthly expiry pattern, negative because of the weak resistance. Now I'll go and check for Midcap. Finnifty is your homework. This is Midcap. Midcap also has given a very good gap up and it's gone up. And you check for open. Open is 775 because 25 is the step count here. 775. Okay, so here is our open. When you check for OTM, it's positive, negative for OTM because of the monthly expiry pattern. Here it is a strong support, that's why positive in the ITM, weak resistance, so negative decay. Okay, pretty much that's it. Now I'll check the model for straddle. We'll begin with our Midcap. So we'll check OI as well as straddle and strangle positions. So here put is strong because you could see OTM 18 versus 12. When you check for open, 775 LTP we'll see. So this is LTP, as you could see, it's a long straddle day. Now I'll check for Bank Nifty. BNF, when you check for OTM, here 133 versus 113. So here resistance is pretty strong. 58,500 is the open, which becomes the OTM here. So this was positive, as you could see. It has squeezed at the end. The last one we have is Nifty. So Nifty, you could see OTM 496 and 606. So this is today's data. We have to check for. Okay, so I don't know why it is showing as monthly expiry. Okay, here also expiry monthly is showing up. So anyway, 800, we have to check for 800. So when you check this data is not showing for today's data because this is the expiry for 25 November. So yeah, there should be a delay in the update. So that's it guys, thank you.